Hi friends, a very good afternoon to all of you and welcome back once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Gaurav Gupta and I once again welcome all of you in another new session for all of you, CAT 2023 Number Systems. This is part number 1 for this session. Now in this session we are going to discuss some of the very beautiful questions which are based on number systems. Now, using these questions, you will understand, you will get to know a lot of different concepts which are based on number systems. And the students who have already prepared number systems, they will get to solve some very good questions, some wonderful questions in this session. So friends, are all of you ready for this session? Tarun, good afternoon everyone. So friends, good afternoon. Am I clearly audible and visible? I believe yes. So Tarun can hear me, can see me. Yes. So I can see that everything is good as far as the reception of this session is concerned. All right. So friends, welcome once again. Now I'll quickly tell you what all things will be going to cover in today's session. So as the title of this session is Number Systems for CAT 2023. So this is number systems for CAT 2023, right? So we are going to discuss some of the very good questions which are based on number systems. Yes, the level of difficulty of these questions will be slightly higher as compared to the questions that we have discussed in the previous sessions, which had a title of Basics of Number Systems or Basics of Arithmetic. So today we are not going to discuss some basic questions. Today we are going to discuss some of the questions which will require some good amount of some quality logic from your side. Okay, so जो भी questions हम करने वाले हैं आज, in these questions good logics will be required. Okay, all right. So let us begin with this session. Just give me a second. All right. So I have selected 10 questions for all of you. ये जो 10 questions होंगे, these will be based on the different concepts of number systems and base systems as well. I have kept one of the questions of base systems. Okay, so number systems and base systems, all these topics will be covered today in these 10 questions. Let's see how good you are able to perform in this session. Okay, so we'll be taking on these 10 questions one by one. I'll be giving you somewhere around 30 seconds to 45 seconds to understand these questions. Okay, probably that time will not be enough for you to solve these questions, but the most important thing for today's session is understanding these concepts and understanding the solutions. So after 30 or 45 seconds, whatever time I'll be giving you to understand the question, after that, I'll start solving the questions. Meanwhile, you can also keep solving and then post the answer in the chat box. All right. So we shall begin with this session. All right. So the first question for all of you. All right. So this is the first question for all of you. Have a look at this. How many 4-digit numbers with distinct digits in ascending order? So important part is the digits should be distinct and these digits should be in the ascending order. So how many 4-digit numbers with distinct digits in ascending order are possible such that the product of these digits lies between 20 and 45? Come on, give it a read. Try to solve this. How many 4-digit numbers with distinct digits in ascending order are possible such that the product of these digits, such that the product of all the digits of this 4-digit number lies between 20 and 45? Okay, Now let us start solving this one. Now I want to make a 4-digit number such that the digits are in ascending order. Okay, so the smallest digit will be the leftmost digit, and then I'll keep all the remaining 3 digits in the ascending order, right? Now, since the smallest digit will be the first digit, so I can start making this number using digit 1. So the leftmost digit can be 1, yes. So if I'll put 1 as the leftmost digit, then the smallest number that I want to form is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1234. Now the product of these digits, what is the product of these digits? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. 24 is the product of these digits and it qualifies as my number because the product of the digits should lie between 20 and 45. So yes, the smallest 4-digit number, if I'll make of this type with the given conditions, it also satisfies the last condition that the product of the digits is lying between 20 and 45. Okay. Now after this, what will be the next number that I can form? So it can be 1, 2. Now instead of 3, if I'll put 4. So if I'll put 4, then I can put 5 here, right? So like this, I can keep forming these numbers. But what I should do is, I should go in a proper sequence. I should go in a proper direction. Okay, so I'll first of all fix the first 3 digits 1, 2 and 3 and change the next digit and I'll make it 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 5. Does it qualify, does it satisfy the last condition? The product of the digits is 30. Now 30 lies between these two numbers. So yes, this will be the number. Next number 1, 2, 3, 6. 1236. What is the product of the digits? 18 into 2, 36. It also is between 20 and 45. So this will be the number. The next number will be 1237. Okay, 1237. The product of the digits is 42. It still lies between 20 and 45. I'll go ahead. Next number 1238. Now 1238, the product of the digits is 48. Now this number does not qualify as my answer. Okay, so up till now I have these 4 numbers if the first 3 digits are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now what I'll do is next I will change this digit. So I've kept 3 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 से start होने वाले ये 4 numbers qualify हो गए. Okay, so next I will change this digit. Okay, so ये जो 3 है इसकी जगह मैं 4 लिख देता हूं. So 1, 2, 4. Now 1, 2, 4 से start होने वाला सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या होगा? 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now what is the product of the digits? The product of the digits is 40. So it lies between these two numbers. So this number will also qualify as the answer. The next bigger number will be 1, 2, 4, 6. Now 1, 2, 4, 6. What is the product of the digits? It is 48 and it does not qualify as my answer. Okay. So 1, 2, 4, 8. ये वाला 1, 2, 4, 6. ये answer नहीं होगा. So up till now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I've got 5 numbers. The largest possible option is 5. So answer cannot be more than 5 and hence this is my answer. Also, why you don't need to check any other number? Because any bigger number than this, okay, अगर मैं 4, 7 करता हूं तो obviously it will not qualify. Instead of 4, if I'll put 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, okay, 5 से start होने वाला यहाँ पे 1, 2, 5. The smallest number will be 1, 2, 5, 6. The product of the digits is more than 45. Okay. Also, any number which will start with 2. Here you can see that all the numbers were starting with 1. Any number which will start with 2 and satisfying the criteria, the smallest number will be 2, 3, 4, 5. The smallest number of this type starting with 2 will be 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the product of the digits? The product of the digits is more than 45. Hence, my number cannot start with 2. The number can only start with 1 and hence 5 will be the correct answer for this question. All right. So option B is the correct answer for this one. All right. Now let's move ahead and look at the next question. Question number 2. Slightly challenging question, slightly difficult question. What will be the unit digit of this number? Be careful with the powers. Be careful with the powers. Okay. So 358 raised to the power 42, whole raised to the power 233. This is the actual number. Whole raised to the power 233. Be careful with the power. You'll have to find out the unit digit of this number. So Shraddha, Nidhi, Tarun, I can see 3 students responding to the questions. I want other students who are there in this live session to respond with this answer as well. You need to find out the unit digit of this number, of the given number. Okay. Now, the base is 358. If I want to find out the unit digit, I should keep only the unit digit in the base. So instead of 358, I can write it as 8. And now the power will be 42 multiplied by 233. Okay. So effectively, I need to find out the unit digit of 8 raised to the power 42 multiplied by 233. Both the powers will get multiplied. Okay. Now, let us talk about the cyclicity of the unit digit of the powers of 8. So have a look at it. So 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. 8 square, I'm sorry. Now 8 square, the unit digit will be 4. 8 into 8 is 64. 8 cube, the unit digit is 2. 8 raised to the power 4, the unit digit is 6. And then the unit digit will start repeating. So 8 raised to the power 5 का जो unit digit होगा, it will again be 8. So I can say that cyclicity for the repetition of unit digits for the powers of 8 is 4. So after every fourth power, the unit digit will repeat in the powers of 8. ठीक है? So अब करना क्या है? मुझे क्या करना है? ये जो पावर है, इतना बड़ा पावर है 42 multiplied by 233. I have to divide it by 4 and find out the remainder. मुझे remainder find out करना है. Okay? So 42 multiplied by 233 when divided by 4. If I'll try to find out the remainder. Okay. Now 42 when divided by 4, here the remainder is 2. And 233 when divided by 4, the remainder is 1. Now the net remainder will be the product of 2 and 1. So the remainder will be 2. The remainder when this entire power is divided by 4 is 2. So I can say that the unit digit will be given by 8 square. So this entire power will be replaced by the remainder when this power is divided by 4. Okay, why 4? 4 से क्यों divide किया? Because 4 is the cyclicity of the repetition of unit digits. Okay, so 8 square का unit digit कितना होता है? It is 4. So my answer will be 4. That is option C. All right. So option C will be the correct answer. Let's see if it is correct answer. Yes, it is the correct answer. And is there anyone who has given the correct answer? Nidhi has given the correct answer. Tarun, I hope you have understood why 6 will not be the answer, why 4 will be the answer. All right. Now with this, let's move ahead and look at the next question. The next question, find the sum of all odd numbers between 901 and 999. Careful, huh? Careful with this. There are plenty of ways to find out the answer. There are plenty of ways to find this answer. Let's see which method are you going to use. you'll have to find out the sum of all odd numbers between 901 and 999, and I have circled a word which is very important: between. Okay, now since I have to stay between these two numbers and I have to look at the odd numbers only, okay, so I can say that I should start from 901. The first number to be considered will, I have to start from 903. So the first number considered will be more than 901. That will be 903 plus 905 and so on. The last odd number just before 999 will be 997. Okay, so I have to find out the sum of these numbers. Done. Now all these numbers are in arithmetic progression with a difference of 2. All right. So what I'll do is I'll use the sum of an arithmetic progression. Since I already know the first and the last term, I can use the formula n upon 2 bracket a plus l. Okay, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term and l is the last term. Now in this case, what will be the number of terms? The first term is 903 and the last term is 997. So you can find out the number of terms. So the number of terms here will come out to be 48. Okay, अब ये जल्दी से कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? अगर मैं सारे के सारे odd numbers consider करता, starting from 901 up till 999, so basically 1 से लेके 99 तक कितने odd numbers होते हैं? 50 odd numbers होते हैं, right? But मैंने first और last number consider नहीं किया because I have to stay between them. So 50 की जगह 2 numbers हटा दो, 48 odd numbers are there. Fine. So थोड़ा सा जल्दी से भी, जरूरी नहीं है हर चीज फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके ही फाइंड आउट किया जाए. Without using formula, with the logic, you can also find out the answers much faster. Okay. All right. So number of terms is 48 divided by 2 bracket first term 903 plus the last term. Now 997 plus 903 इन दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 1900. So 1900 यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. Fine. So 48 into 1900 divided by 2, or I can say that 24 into 1900. This will be the final answer. अब इन दोनों को multiply कर लो and you will get your answer. Okay, right? So 24 into 19, 24 into 20 कितना होता है? 480. 480 में से 24 minus कर दिया, 456. So 45600. 45600. Option A should be the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let's see if this is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Kushagra and Nidhi, both of you have given the correct answer. Nice, good. Let's move on and look at the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, slightly easy question as compared to the previous ones. आसान question है. Let's see who will be the quickest to find the correct answer. So quickly give it a read. Question says that in a 6-digit number, the 6th, that is the rightmost digit, is the sum of the first 3 digits. The 5th digit is the sum of the first 2 digits. The 3rd digit is equal to the first digit. The 2nd digit is twice the first digit, and the 4th digit is the sum of 5th and 6th digit. Then the largest possible value of the 4th digit, They want the largest possible value of the fourth digit. Easy question है, जल्दी से आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लो. Okay, let's start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-digit number. Rightmost digit is the 6th digit. So first digit, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, like this. All right, fine. Okay. Now I'll start from this line. The third digit is equal to the first digit. So first digit and the third digit are equal. I will consider them as A and A. Okay. So the third digit is equal to the first digit. This part is over. The second digit is twice the first digit. Second digit is twice the first digit. So this will be twice of A. Okay. Then I'll go back to the beginning. The sixth digit is the sum of first three digits. So the sixth digit, that means the rightmost digit, is the sum of these. So it will become 4A. The fifth digit is the sum of the first two digits. Fifth digit, this one is the sum of the first two. That means it will be 3A. All right. And then the fourth digit is the sum of fifth and sixth. So fourth digit is the sum of these two. So 3A plus 4A, that is 7A. All right. Now these are all the digits. Now they want the largest possible value of the fourth digit. So iski largest possible value chahiye. Now 7A is a single digit number. Okay. So the maximum possible value of A can be 1, and hence this number will be 7. The entire number will be 1, 2, 1, 7, 3, 4. A cannot take any bigger value because if let's say A is 2, अगर A को मैं 2 put कर देता हूं, so this digit will become 14, and 14 is not a digit. 14 is a number. So it has to be a single digit. Okay. So that is why the largest possible value of A can be 1, and hence the largest possible value of the fourth digit will be 7. So the correct answer for this question should be option B, that is 7. Okay. Nidhi has given the correct answer. Only Nidhi has given the correct answer. All right. This one was easy. I was expecting a better response from all of you. Let's move on to the next number. A 4-digit number of the form AABB is a perfect square. What is the value of A minus B? Now leave behind the value of A minus B. First of all, you'll have to find out what will be this number. This is a perfect square, a 4-digit number of the form AABB. So the first two digits are equal and the next two digits are equal. AABB की form में होना चाहिए और एक perfect square होना चाहिए. Now how to basically go for this type of questions? अब obviously थोड़ा बहुत hidden trial करना पड़ेगा, but hidden trial के लिए भी एक proper direction चाहिए. ठीक है? Now I'll not look at this number. I'll just look at the last two digits of this number. BB. The last two digits are equal. Okay. The last two digits are equal. These two digits are equal. Okay. Now all of you tell me a number starting from 1 up till 25. एक ऐसा number बताओ 1 से लेके 25 तक जिसके square के last two digits equal हों. I'll repeat my question. I want a number starting from 1 up till 25 such that the square of the number has the last two digits same. Give me a number from 1 to 25 whose squares last two digits are equal. Come on. मुझे एक ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जिसके स्क्वायर के लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स इक्वल हों। Absolutely, Arjun, Nidhi, 12. 12 is a number. Now, 12 square, the square of 12, I can say that is 144. The square of 12 is 144. The last 2 digits are equal, 44. Okay. Now, the last 2 digits of the square of 12 are 44. Then you can always say that the last 2 digits of the square of 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12, 100 plus 12, 150 minus 12, 150 plus 12, 200 minus 12, 200 plus 12. The last 2 digits of the squares of these numbers will be same as the last 2 digits of the square of 12. I'll repeat. The square of 12 is 144. The last 2 digits are 44. The last 2 digits of the square of 12 are 44. So what I'm saying is, I'm saying that the last 2 digits of the squares of these numbers, they are forming a pattern. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12. 100 minus 12, 100 plus 12. 150 minus 12, 150 plus 12. The last 2 digits of the squares of these numbers will also be 44. So what is this number? This is 38 square. This number is 62 square. Then it is 88 square. Then it is 112 square and so on. Okay. So I know in which direction do I have to go. So now I'll find out the square of 38. Okay. So square of 38 यहाँ पे लिख देता हूं मैं. Square of 38 कितना होगा? Anyone? So 4, 4, 13, 14. So 1444 is the square of 38. Square find out करने की faster technique बाद में बताऊंगा, आज नहीं. Okay. Is it of the form AABB? No, it is not of the form AABB. So let's find out the square of 62. 62 का square क्या होगा? 44, 25, 37, 38, 3844. Is it of the form AABB? No, it is not. Next, calculate the square of 88. Now, 88 का square क्या होगा? It will be 4, 4, 38, 76, 77, 7744. Is it of the form AABB? Yes, it is of the form AABB. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. 38 ka 3744. Arjun, it is not 3744, it is 3844. Okay, I think no, I have not committed any mistake. So एक बार check कर लो, 3844 होना चाहिए. Okay, and 88 का square है 7744. It is of the form AABB. अब ये number AABB की form में है. Okay, so I can pick the values of A from here and value of B. So value of A कितना हो जाएगा? It will be 7. Value of B will be equal to 4. And the question is asking about A minus B. So A minus B will come out to be 3. So 3 should be the correct answer. That is option A. Okay. So option A should be the correct answer for this question. Nidhi ने सही answer दिया था. Nidhi has already given a correct answer. So yes, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now the concept that I have explained, the funda that I have explained, which is used in this question, probably you will not understand it in one go. So you must watch the video of this session, the recording session, the recorded video of this session that will be available on YouTube. Isko dekho, samjho, and then try to apply this concept in further questions. Right? Chaliye, आगे चलते हैं. Next question. Question number 6. A very tricky question. Find the sum of the digits of the number. So एक ये number बनेगा बहुत बड़ा number, बहुत बड़ा number बनेगा, ठीक है? उसका sum of the digits find out करना है. Now this is actually not a random question, huh? So you'll have to find out the sum of the digits of the given number. Okay, so let's begin with this method. देखते हैं. Now 32 raised to the power 634. 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 and then whole raised to the power 634 multiplied by 625. 625 is 5 raised to the power 4. So 5 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 794. Okay, अब इसको थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं. Okay, so upon simplification it will become 2 raised to the power 3170 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 794 into 4, so 3200 minus 24, 3176. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 3170 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3176. Further, I'll write this number as, so I'll take out equal powers of 2 and 5. So 2 into 5 will become a 10. Okay, so it will become 10 raised to the power 3170 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 6. Okay, so I have taken out equal powers of 2 and 5. So 2 raised to the power 3170, 5 raised to the power 3170 will become 10 raised to the power 3170, and the remaining extra power of 5 will be left as it is. All right. So now my number will be 5 raised to the power 6. What is the value of 5 raised to the power 6? 25 into 25 into 25. 25 cube. 25 cube की value याद नहीं होगी किसी को, ठीक है? So orally calculate करते हैं. 25 square तो पता है 625, right? Then 625 into 5 is 3125. Then 3125 into 5 is 15,625. So इसका value will be 15,625 multiplied by 10 raised to the power this number. Now 10 raised to the power this number, that means there will be a lot of zeros in front of it. How many zeros? 3,170 zeros. Okay, a lot of zeros will be in front of it. Okay, right? So basically this will be the number that you will get, and you'll have to find out the sum of the digits. Now the number of zeros will not affect the sum of the digits. Okay, so the sum of the digits will be the sum of these numbers only. So 10 and 9, 19. 19 will be the sum of the digits, and hence the correct answer is option D. Okay, a wonderful, a beautiful question this one was. Option D is the correct answer for this. Okay. All right, let's move ahead and look at the next question. Again, a very tricky question. The last part is tricky. So you'll be able to find out or you'll be able to solve maximum part of this question, but the last part will be tricky. Important is this part. The numbers are real numbers. While multiplying 3 real numbers, Ashok took one of the numbers as 73 instead of 37. So 37 होना चाहिए था, but उसने 73 ले लिया. As a result, the product went up by 720. Let's solve up till this part. यहाँ तक solve करते हैं, ठीक है? So actually में numbers क्या होने चाहिए थे? There are 3 numbers. So one of the numbers is 37. Let's say the other 2 numbers are A and B. Okay, so the actual product should have been 37 into A into B. But what Ashok has done is, instead of 37, he has taken one of the numbers as 73. The others are normal. So he has taken 73 A and B, and his product that he has calculated must be 73 into AB. Okay, so earlier the product was this, now the product is this. and the product went up by 720. So that means the difference between these two numbers should be 720, right? So I can say that 73AB minus 37AB should be equal to 720. Upon solving, I can get the value of the product of AB. ठीक है? So ये वाला difference कितना है? 23 and 13, 36. 36AB is 720, right? So A into B will be 720 divided by 36, which is 20. A into B का वैल्यू 20 आ गया. ठीक है? अब आगे देखते हैं क्या करना है. So I've got the value of A into B as 20. ठीक है? Now we have to find out the minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of these two numbers. So they are not bothered with the number, original number. ये जो है 73, 37, ये सब इसको नहीं देखना. They're talking about the other two numbers. That means they're talking about A and B. So we have to find out the minimum value of the sum of the squares of A and B. Okay. Now A and B को minimize करना है, इनके square को minimize करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? The values of A and B both will be the square root of 20. The values of A and B both will be the square root of 20. Okay. So A square plus B square का value कितना हो जाएगा? It will be root 20 square, that is 20 plus 20, which will give you the answer as 40. So the correct answer will be option A for this question. All right. So Kushagra, again, D is not the answer. 80 is not the answer. 20 plus 20, that is 40. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8, a very simple question of the application of LCM and HCF. Quickly read it through. 6 different sweet varieties, count. Numbers are given. Were ordered for a particular occasion. So these number of varieties were ordered for a particular occasion. They need to be packed in such a way that each box has the same variety of sweets, first condition, and the number of sweets in each box is also the same. Okay, so variety and the number should be same. You'll have to find out the minimum number of boxes required to pack all these sweets. Minimum number of boxes required to pack. इजी क्वेश्चन है ये वाला, जल्दी से आंसर कर दो. All right. Now logic behind this question. Now understand the requirement and then form the logic. Now you'll have to minimize the number of boxes. So box number of boxes को minimize करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Number of sweets per box should be maximum. Okay? मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा sweets को एक box में pack करने की कोशिश करूँगा. Then only I'll be able to use minimum number of boxes. ठीक है? So number of boxes को reduce करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? Number of sweets को maximize करना पड़ेगा. Number of sweets per box को maximize करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Now, since the number of sweets in a box should be equal, then what will be this number of sweets per box? That will be the highest common factor of these numbers. Now, what will be the highest common factor of these numbers? Anyone? Anyone who can tell me the highest common factor of these numbers? Come on, jaldi. So 32 में से 8 आ जाएगा, 16 नहीं आएगा, 216 में से 8 आ जाएगा, 8, 8, 8. I can see easily 8 is the highest common factor. Okay, so let's see 32. If number of sweets is 32 and per box I'm keeping 8 sweets, which is the HCF. So HCF of these numbers is 8. So 32 can be written as 8 multiplied by 4. So for the first variety of sweets, I will require 4 boxes and every box will have 8 sweets. Second number is 216. 216 can be written as 8 multiplied by how much? Anyone? Yes? 27, right? 8 multiplied by 27. Then 136 can be written as 8 multiplied by 15, 16, 17. 8 multiplied by 17. The next number is 88. Can be written as 8 multiplied by 11. So these are the number of boxes. Okay, these are the number of boxes. Next number is 184. Can be written as 8 multiplied by 23. And next number is 120, which can be written as 8 multiplied by 15. Okay, so these are the number of boxes which I have circled, and now you can add all these boxes and get your answer. Okay, so answer कितना आएगा? 4 plus 27 is 31, 48, 59, 59, 69, 79, 89, and 8, 97. So the sum of these numbers is 97. So the minimum number of boxes required will be 97 if I want to do this thing. Okay, so 97, that is which option? Option D is the correct answer. Yes, it is the correct answer. Nidhi and Kushagra have given the correct answers. Nice, good. So 97, not 129. So बहुत लोगों ने 129 आंसर दिया. Shraddha, Tuba, both of you have given 129 as the answer. No, it's not the answer. Answer is 97. All right. I hope you have got your mistake. Next question is the question of base systems. Base system का question है. There is a number written in base 7 which is equal to 23 in base 7 multiplied by 36 in base 7. Okay. So I have to find out the value of x. Now this question can be easily done by converting, first of all, converting the numbers on the right hand side in base 10. So 23 in base 7 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 0. So 14 plus 3, 17. So 23 in base 7 will become 17 in base 10. Next number, 36. Now 36 in base 7 can be written as 3 into 7 raised to the power 1 plus 6 into 7 raised to the power 0. So this is in base 10. So 21 plus 6, 27 in base 10. Now the numbers have been converted in base 10. So 17 multiplied by 27. ये चीज calculate कर लेते हैं. Okay, so 7 into 7, 49. 4 carry forward. 7 and 14, 21, 25. 2 carry forward, 4. So 459 in base 10. So my answer should be 459, but in base 10. Now from 459 in base 10, I will convert it in base 7. So base 7 में convert करने के लिए 459 इसको 7 से divide करते हैं. 7 into 6 is 42. Then 339, 7 into 5 is 35. 4 is the carry forward, right? Then further divided by 7. 7 into 9 is 63. 2 is the remainder. Then again divided by 7. 7 into 1 is 7. And 2 is the carry forward. Then finally once again 7 se divide kiya. 0 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Now I'll write these remainders in the reverse order. So my answer should be 1, 2, 2, 4. The value of the number in base 7. So 1, 2, 2, 4. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now most of you might not understand the conversion from one base system to another base system. So it's better to practice, to first of all know the concept, practice this concept, and then watch this question once again. Okay. Next question, the last question for the day, question number 10. If the product of 3 consecutive positive even numbers is 26,880 then find the square of the largest number. Easy question है, थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Question easy है, थोड़ा सा लेंदी है but easy है. Okay? 3 consecutive positive even numbers. All right, shall we see? Now 3 consecutive positive even numbers. So I'll start by assuming these numbers as 2k, 2k plus 2 and 2k plus 4. Okay. Now their product is given as 26,880. So the product of 2k with 2k plus 2 and 2k plus 4 is equal to this number. Okay, is equal to this number. Now I'll take 2 from here. I'll take 2 common from here. I'll take 2 common from here. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 times k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. This will be equal to 26,880. All right. So the product of these 3 consecutive numbers k, k plus 1 and k plus 2 will be equal to 26,880 divided by 8. Okay. So इसको divide by 8 कर देते हैं. 3, 28, 3, 48, 3, 24, 3, 28, 48, 60, 3360. Okay. Now 3360 ये product आ गया इन 3 numbers का, 3 consecutive numbers का. So now I have to find out these 3 consecutive numbers. अब थोड़ा सा hit and trial करना चाहिए हमें. Okay. Now these are 3 consecutive numbers. Their product is 3360. Now if all 3 of them are equal, so एक किसी number का cube हो जाता, n cube, and the cube of that number will be somewhere near to this. So 3360 के आसपास, can you tell me a perfect cube? Can you tell me a perfect cube which is near to 3360? Now if you remember the cubes up till 15, you'll be able to give the answer. 15 cube is 3375. So I can say that this middle number will be either 15 or 14 or 16. So I'll check if 14 into 15 into 16, if this product is 3360 or not. Okay, so 14 into 15 into 16, क्या ये product 3360 आएगा? Check कर लेते हैं. 14 into 15 is 210. Multiply by 16, so 21 into 16, 16, 320, 336, 3360. Yes, it is actually coming out to be this. So I can say that the value of k will be equal to 14. K का value 14 हो जाएगा. So these 3 numbers will become 28, 30 and 32. So these 3 numbers will be 28, 30 and 32. What they want is find the square of the largest number. They want the square of this number. So 32 का square कितना होता है? It is 1024. So 1024, that is option B, will be the correct answer for this question. All right, fine. So this is the most efficient way of solving this question. All right, so that was the last question for the day. Now friends, I hope you have liked this session. in this session, I have taught you some of the most efficient ways of dealing with different type of questions. Okay, so that is all from my side. Some important piece of information for all of you. You can ace CAT with BYJU'S exam prep. Okay, now in case you are not a student and you want to have a free trial and want to understand what all products do we offer. Okay, so you can unlock your 3 days free trial to access the homepage, the everything that we provide on the portal of BYJU'S exam prep. So you can log into our application, okay, and enter your mobile number and start your free trial for 3 days. All right. Now this is the list of all the toppers of last year CAT 2022. Okay, you want to see your name on this, then must join BYJU'S exam prep. Okay. Now further, for CAT 2023 preparation, we have new batches in which admissions are still open. So if you want to start your preparation with BYJU'S exam prep in any of the comprehensive batches, any of the batches that we are launching, so admissions are open, you can enroll now. These are the complete details of the program that we offer. And you can also log into our application, log into our website to fetch the complete information about the same. All right. Now, in case you are interested in joining this program, then you can avail up to 90% scholarship by taking this scholarship test, which is being conducted on 25th of June at 11 a.m. So please take this scholarship test and score good marks so that you can get up to 90% scholarship. All right. Now the next thing is Saral sir is taking a session which is CAT Ticket to Your Dream B School. This session will be conducted on 20th June, that is today. If you're watching this session live, you'll be able to catch this session live as well at 7 p.m. on the application of BYJU'S exam prep. All right. Now 500 most expected CAT question. This series, this started on April of 6 and we are still continuing with this series of sessions. 500 most expected CAT questions. So you must join this series. All the sessions, all the recorded sessions are available on YouTube, the sessions which have already happened, and further live sessions will also continue up till CAT examination. All right. So friends, thank you very much from my side. You all can catch us on all these social media platforms. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for being there. Thank you very much for being so patient in attending the session. Have a wonderful time. Good afternoon. Bye-bye.